Let's start the day together. First, I'm gonna get my hair done. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face. The kids, they're still asleep. I need to wash my hair. But yeah, and the time right now is actually 7 o'clock. Hopefully the kids stay asleep while I get myself ready. So.
You're my always and forever, the North Star in my sky's endeavor. No end in sight, no star to lose. You're my always, my only muse. Seasons swap their color coats, mountains crumble, rivers erode, but your love stands unshaken still, a lighthouse on my stormy hill. Stars may fade, galaxies roam, but my heart beats for you alone. You're the anchor in my tide, my always, my forever ride. You're my always and forever, the North Star in my sky's endeavor. No end in sight, no star to...
Lily.
Which one you want to wear?
Lily. Also, Lily.
Okay, we want to get dressed first.
Lily.
Wait. Put it in this one. There you go. Good job.
My body.
Come here. Come here. Let me fix this for you. She did so good.
That's her.
Okay. Here, put these in the dirty clothes. Layla, come here. Let me finish. Get you dressed, please.
It's her.
Yes. Come here. Come here, Layla. She helped herself today. Well, you, on the other hand, trying to get away. Come. First, I brought the kids to the library earlier this morning, and now we at Burlington. I'm gonna go in there and see what I can find, because I do need a few things for the kitchen. And I'm also go to Target as well. Layla is taking a nap, and Amira is up. So let's go to Burlington and see what we can find. Let's go. Yo, you see that sun? And the weather is pretty good today too. It's like 65 degrees, I believe. The sun is definitely out. Okay. Toys. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this girl wanna push her sister. Yeah, look at my pants. From taking that car seat out. Look at this. Like, we need something like this to like put all of the stuffed animals in.
Look.
I haven't checked Amazon yet. But this isn't too bad. I need to check Amazon first before I actually think about getting that one. So, but yeah. Let's walk around some more. She looking at dog stuff, y'all.
Look. Look at these.
Okay, let's go. No, put that back, please.
Is this for me?
Yes, hold it.
So I want this.
You want it?
These are. My baby phone. That's funny.
Let's go this way. Let's go.
Where's my water?
It's underneath the coffee table. You see it?
Oh, it's too funny.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, I don't know why I'm coughing. We just got home not too long ago. It's 12:48 right now. And yeah. I just warmed up some lunch that we're about to eat. I got a moisturizer for my face. It needs to charge. And the spray here. Bring it, let me charge it. Let me put it on the charger. And at Burlington,
My halo.
thank you. I put it to charge, okay?
Yeah.
We picked up this coat for Amira. You okay? Oh, she just tripped and fell. I got her some more PJs. These are so cute. She picked out this. And look, you gonna help me?
No.
Okay. I picked me up some PJs. These are so cute. And they were $9.99. So about $10. But yeah. There's some pants. Let me tell y'all the total. I spent $45.47 in Burlington. Y'all, we having leftover chicken and rice that I made last night.
Yes.
And I already washed all of our hands. I already washed and clean. I even washed Layla's hands as well. My toddler, she's asleep. And it's 1:27 right now. I'm about to clean all this up right here.
Yes.
We are going to. Layla is up. My husband have a basketball game that we're going to. His first game of the season. One at a time. Y'all, my 9-month-old was choking because she keep on putting more than one stuff in her mouth. Like, she loved food that much. Yeah. And y'all, I made oatmeal for my toddler this morning and she didn't even eat it. She ate like a small amount of it. But she did eat the rice that I gave her earlier. Y'all, you know what I love? I love that this time around, breastfeeding, I don't pump. No pumping. Because I feel like first time when I had Amira and I used to pump and like nurse her as well, I feel like that was a lot. This time I only breastfeed, no pump. And I feel like it's been a lot better. I still get tired, don't get me wrong. It's just, I'm not like exhausted, if that makes sense. Yeah. We're back home now. Maybe a few minutes ago. I was to eat this Chick-fil-A because that's what we picked up for dinner. And they did win their game. Was this y'all's second game or third?
Technically, our second. The first one was a forfeit.
So I guess they're on their second.
Technically, we're 2-0.
Yeah. Almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:58 right now. We're gonna eat and get the girls ready for bed. Yeah? Yeah, she couldn't wait to eat. But this is what I got. I got a deluxe, no cheese. Amir got grilled chicken. That's the only place she actually will eat chicken whenever we actually give her chicken is Chick-fil-A grilled chicken. That's the only one.